Eco-friendly polypropylene paver block with swappable anti-skid film, paving towards a sustainable tomorrow, in collaboration with Mahindra.
Procedure. Place the metal kadai on top of the burner. Light a small fire under the metal kadai and then gently heat it. Add the reprocessed polypropylene pellets as per the proportion by weighing it. As it warms up, it will reduce in size. Keep adding reprocessed polypropylene pellets gently at the side of the metal plastic until it melts down to a black liquid. Keep mixing thoroughly until all the plastic has melted and there is a consistent black liquid. This can take up to 20 minutes. Take crushed sand using the proportion by weighing the material on scale. Then take fly ash using the proportion by weighing the material on the scale. Then mix it together by hand. Then add powder mix to the black liquid in small quantities. Stirring and heating must continue until all lumps are removed and a homogeneous mix is obtained. Prepare the mold using a cloth by making sure it is clean with no pieces of plastic on it from previous moldings. Well oil the mold using a brush to ensure easy casting out of the paver block from the mold once it has been solidified. Quickly remove the hot mixture using a wooden spatula and then spread it evenly inside the mold. Press and work the mixture into the mold so that there are no air gaps in between. After that, allow the hot mixture inside the mold to set for a few minutes. Then, carefully submerge the mold into a bucket full of water for cooling purpose. Remove the mold from the bucket. Now, for demolding the paver block, shake it from the edges of the mold.
Applications. Depending upon its thickness, they can be used in non-vehicular traffic areas like gardens and footpaths, light vehicular traffic areas like porch, personal parking or residential campuses, heavy vehicular traffic areas like city roads and public parks.
We claim our product has unique design with swappable anti-skid film. Our product does not require replacing the whole paver block due to color fading of upper layer or due to wear and tear, as the upper contact part of the paver block is easily swappable with another anti-skid film made up of recycled polypropylene. Our product is eco-friendly in nature as the recycled material, that is fly ash and polypropylene, used in the manufacturing takes a long time to decompose and are harmful to the environment. Due to usage of waste materials in this product, there is less pressure on landfills and other treatment plants. Our product replaces cement completely with plastic waste so that there is less presence of plastic in the environment. Our product has enhanced service life. The overall cost of production is less than conventional paver block. Our product is light in weight as compared to conventional paver block. Our product exhibits higher compressive strength.